Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to build this awesome little blog post grid layout. So basically all these images that you see, we are fetching all these images using pixum.com. So Pixum is a great website where you can fetch great photographs. So it contains random photographs. It offers its own API as well to fetch all the photographs. So if I refresh it, so basically Pixum is a website, guys. You can see from this website we are fetching all these images. You can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this is a title, this is a short little description, and I will be showing you how to build this awesome little grid layout. So basically there are two buttons out there. So if I just refresh the application, you will now see there is a input field out there. Here you can generate as many blog posts as you want. Let's suppose I want to generate 2 blog posts. I will click 2. So now you can see 2 blog posts have been successfully generated, and basically it's a card like structure. If you clearly see here, we have this card like structure. So basically it's a card like structure, and if I click I need to generate one more will be added. If I need to generate one more will be again be added. Here you can see the images that you see, guys, it is random images. You can now see. So we are styling this using the CSS grid layout, as you all know, Flexbox and CSS grid layout. If you click 5 here, 1 2 3 4 5, again you need to generate 5 more, so it will say 1 2 3 4 5. And now we can even delete as well, delete that as well, guys. We can also perform the delete operation. Let's suppose you want to delete one blog post from it, so we can also do like this one. It will one by one delete all these blog posts, so you can see that. So we will be looking at how to dynamically add the cards, add the blog post inside our DOM, document object model, and how to delete them. So this is a very awesome kind of an application, CRUD kind of an application. Create, read, update, and delete. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So we will now start this application. So basically it will generate the blog post here, and also one by one we can delete this. So now to get started, guys, first of all I will side by side inside our index.html. So basically here basically we will have a container class, div.container, and we will be giving an ID to it of parent, and inside this, guys, we will be displaying the images inside card like structure. So here we will have a simple image source will be equal to, and source basically you can attach this image, which is this one. So this image is coming from this Pixum website, and here you can replace here 20. That's it. So close this, and basically after this you will have a h2 tag. So this will be card title and some paragraph. You can have some lorem text here, random text. So basically now if I delete all the styles here, and if I open this now in open live server, you will now see there will be a single image here which will be coming from this website. There will be a title and there will be a short little description. So why we need to now style this using our CSS. So we will go to the style.css and step by step we will style it. So here what we will do, guys, we will simply say We will move to the CSS. So first of all, we will target the HTML, and here we will change the font to 500, 100%, 1.4 system UI. So this is a font we have changed, and now basically we need to target box sizing to border box. And also we need to have the container class, guys. We simply need to give margin to auto, padding to 30 pixel. So now you can see some padding is given here. The font is also changed here. You can see that. So after this, guys, we will also give max width, which is equal to 1090 pixel. Display we will change to grid, and here we will say grid template columns is equal to repeat autofill, and min max we will use this function min max 270 pixel. Each blog post will take the width of 270 pixel, 1 fr. So now if you see, guys, it will be showing as like this, and also the gap between grid column gap, this will be equal to 45 pixel, and grid row gap will be equal to 47 pixel. So now you can see that. So basically now we will target the card, guys, card class. So basically here we will say position to relative, and after this we will simply say the width of the card to be 100%. And here we will target this image that is present inside this. We will change the border radius to 10 pixel, guys, somewhat round. We will also apply a brightness filter, and here we will simply say 95%. So now the image will be brighter. We will also change the width to 100%. And also we will now target this h2 tag, guys, and also the paragraph. Both these things we will target, and basically we will give margin 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 10 pixel, 0. And after this, guys, you will also add some responsiveness by adding this media query, and max width will be equal, if it is equal to 400, in that case we need to, body will be equal to grid template, columns will be repeat autofill, min max, and here this will be 240 pixel, 1 fr. And also we will attach some padding as well, 25 pixel. So that's it, guys. This is now complete. The styling is almost complete here. So this is all the CSS which is required for this, guys, application. And one thing we are missing, guys, which is we need to attach inside this. We need to wrap all this inside the card class, because we just need to wrap all this inside the card class. We are missing this, so simply wrap all this inside a div which is card. If you now refresh it, now basically your card is ready here. You can now see this is your card title and this short little description. So now you can copy this as many as a number of times, 2, 3, 4. So now you can see we have these cards here which are completely responsive. The nice thing about that, we are using CSS3 grid layout. That's why it is completely responsive. If you see on mobile phones, it will look like something like this. And when you just go inside the tablet, you will see something like this. And when you see on PC, you will now see something like this, completely responsive. It is not breaking. You can now see. So basically, whenever you want to develop any sort of blog post kind of an application, this layout will be very much useful. That's why I wanted to create this. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well if you're watching it for the very first time. Anirudh is saying wow, so please hit the like button guys if you're watching it for the very first time. Yeah, it looks very good because it's using the CSS3 grid layout. And now basically what we will do is that we will have two buttons out there right here. First we will say generate blog post, and after this we will have a input type number, and here we will simply say it should be required, and basically the ID here will be input or number. It is required, and here we will be giving a ID to it, to the button, which is button. So here we will need to write the JavaScript part here. So we will first of all say document.getElement by ID button add event listener. So when we click this button, what will happen now? We need to first of all, when we hit this button, for this we need to create a variable here, let number is equal to 5. So the default value here guys, just put a default value as well. Value will be 5. So also we need to attach a on change document.add number change. So here we simply need to say number is equal to dot value. That's it. So now inside this, first of all we'll say e dot prevent default, and then basically guys what we will do is that here we need to add create a new target, the parent div, which is equal to document dot get element by ID parent. So if you closely look here, we have given the ID here, which is to the parent element, parent div, which is parent here. So we are accessing this inside of a JavaScript. So after getting the reference here, we can attach here dynamically the cards. So here we can simply say that let child div, and here we can use document.createElement. This is a method which is used to create elements, dynamic elements inside JavaScript. Here we will create the div element, and now to attach a class guys dynamically we'll use class list dot add. Basically this will add a CSS class dynamically, and we need to add this class which is card. This is a class we are adding here. You can now see this is a class. So inside this class guys we have this image element, so we will simply say let image document dot create element, and this time we will be creating our image element, and also we need to set the attribute, which is set attribute source, and this attribute will be equal to the image that you give here. So all these images will be random here. Basically we are fetching it from the URL. So pick some, you can use any image website as you want. Pixel also you can use it. Simply you need to paste it, and here this will be I think it will be dynamic, so you will simply replace it by let's suppose count. So here initial value of count will be 20, so let count will be 20, and basically guys we need to make it inside this for loop, all this code that you add here. So if you see here, so from here on we need to wrap all this code inside a for loop. So let I is equal to 0, I smaller than equal to the number. So basically number is the number is, you can see currently it is holding 5. So if I change this to 4 2, so depending upon that the for loop will run I plus plus. So we can surround this, and after setting this image, guys, we will add this image, which is child div dot append child image, and after this we will add another h2 tag that you have inside this, guys. You can now see h2 document dot create element h2. So here h2 inner text, we will simply say it's equal to card title, and again child div append child h2. So next, guys, we will have a simple paragraph, basically document dot create element paragraph. So paragraph inner text will be equal to so this is the lorem text, we need to copy paste it, guys. So the advantage of using this, guys, it is basically it gives you the opportunity basically to have multiple elements. So what we can do is that so just surround this on a single line. So after this, guys, we will simply say child div append child and p, that's it. And lastly, guys, what we need to do is that basically we will increment the counter variable from counter plus 20, and we will now append this into parent div append child to this child div, that's it. So these are very important methods, guys, inside native JavaScript. We are not using jQuery, we are using native JavaScript. Append child ho gaya, create element, set attribute, child list add. If you want to remove a class, you will add here remove, like this. All these methods are very much important if you want to play with the DOM. So at last, guys, what we need to say is that we need to, that's it. So basically now if I see here, if I remove all these cards here, I don't need to write the HTML here, static HTML. So this HTML will be added dynamically by JavaScript. So if I open this, only one card will be present. So basically now we have this simple form here. So basically now we can say I need to add one more. So I will simply say generate. So why it is not adding it? Let me see. Counter is not defined. Let me see. Sorry, this needs to be count. So now, guys, if I need to add one more, I will simply say generate blog post. You will now see. I think what we need to say is that we are starting from 0, so that's why I need to remove this equal sign, or you can say 1 is equal to. So you can do like this or like that, so depending upon you. So now if you see, if I want to add one more, generate blog post, now you can see dynamically it is adding the blog post. If you now see inspect element, you will now see inside your HTML, inside elements, inside body, we have this parent div. So it contains one card here, one card element. So if I now see here, if I click here this button, so now this will be, this div element will be added dynamically. So now we are playing with the DOM. Now you can see, as you can scroll down, some more elements are added dynamically by JavaScript. So this is a very easy way by which you can reduce the typing, reduce the code, HTML code, by using these helpful methods which are there inside JavaScript, which lets you interact with the DOM, create element, remove, add list, all that stuff. You can see all these classes are also add dynamically, which is this class, which is card. So random images are there. So basically, let's suppose you have to have, I need to add 5 elements at once. So basically, if I click generate, you will now see 5 elements will be added dynamically. If I want to add 5 more, you can now see 5 more. So like this. So now we will have one more button, guys, in order to delete the elements. So right here inside the DOM, we will have one more button. So here we can say delete blog post. So we would be giving an ID to it of delete, and here inside script.js we will simply say that document.get element by ID and delete, and we will add an event listener to it. So when we click this, so here we can simply say e.prevent default. So here we simply need to have a method, guys. If you all know, there is a method out there. First of all, we'll get the reference to the parent div, get element by ID. So ID we have given is parent. So now to get the number of child elements which are present inside this any kind of parent element, there is a method inside native JavaScript which allows you to get that number. So if I console log it, parent div dot child nodes dot length. So basically this will give you the number of child elements which are present inside a parent element inside HTML. So here you need to put -1 here. So now if you reload your application, basically it will exactly tell you. So let's suppose I go to console, and if I click the delete blog post method, guys, you can now see there are exactly 2 elements which are present, 2 child elements. Parent div dot child nodes dot length. If I again see, you can now 7 is present, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6. So why it is saying that? Let me see. Parent div, we see -2. If you once again refresh it, so there are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now exactly it will tell you 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 child elements are present here. So in this way you can get the number of elements. So here what we need to do is that basically here we will have a simple for loop, let I is equal to 0 and I smaller than the number which is passed here, I plus plus. And here we simply need to say, guys, parent div dot children I, and there is a method out there which allows you to remove this dot remove. So basically it removes the children. So here this is an array like structure. So first of all it will remove the 0th one. You just need to put here 0, that's it, not I, only 0. So it will, if you click again and again, it will basically it will run until how many elements you have provided. Let me just show you. So let's suppose I have now 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements are there, and now I need to remove the 3 elements. So if I click delete blog post, so 3 blog posts have been successfully removed. So let's suppose now we have 6. Now I need to remove one element. I will say like this, you can now see. So in this case, very easy DOM manipulation you can see here. So in this way, guys, you can build out this awesome little blog grid layout which is made using CSS3 grid layout and pure JavaScript. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. If you have any sort of doubt related to this tutorial, you can ask in the comment section. And please hit the like button. I am seeing that you're not liking the content. Only 2 likes are there. Please hit that like button. Like and subscribe as well. So 6 people have joined in, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. In this tutorial, we have made this awesome little block grid layout. So like this, you can see here. So basically, it's a DOM manipulation tutorial inside native JavaScript. We have adding elements, we are removing elements from the DOM. So if you like this tutorial, all the source code of this application will be there inside the description of this video, guys. So if you want the full source code of this application, let me give this inside the description of this video. So this is the link I have given, guys. So I have pinned this link in the live chat. If you want to get all the source code of this tutorial, you can go to the description of this live. This is the link here. Also in the description, I have provided all the link. So you are from Ethiopia. So can you just tell me how you find out this stream? If you are finding out of this stream from suggested videos or browse feature, because many people are saying that your videos are coming in the browse section, your videos are coming in the suggested videos. So let me just tell you guys how you're finding out my stream and how is my content, how is my voice, how is my content. Is it good, is it bad, or how is the quality of the live stream, how is the sound quality, how is the video quality? Just tell me in the comment section, and in which areas I need to improve. I don't know, I am from the US and I was just searching for videos. Okay. So I think you were just landing on that YouTube app and then you search for any sort of videos, my video pop in. Okay, you are from Nepal. So I am from India, Delhi. There is a state called as Delhi, capital of India, which is Delhi. I am from that. So there's no very much good to see, guys. People joining it in the live stream. They're appreciating the work. If you're watching it smoothly, the video quality is smooth. If you're watching it at 1080p, I think its video quality is quite good of this live stream. Inside OBS Studio, I have put this quality to this 9487 stream. So you have been suggested to me by YouTube because we do common things, I guess. Okay. Do you make these videos full time? Yeah, I'm a full-time blogger and YouTuber, so I don't have a job, so I make these as full-time. So that's why in whole day I make multiple live streams, such as 6 to 7. I hope to do so because this rapidly grows your YouTube channel. It rapidly increases the number of views as well. So thanks very much, guys, for appreciating the content. I highly appreciate your comments, and please hit the like button. Only 3 likes are there, so please, all the people, hit the like button. Also subscribe the channel. It's very good when people appreciate the content. In every live stream, new people have joined in, so it's a mental connection as well, which is made with the people as well. So it's very good whenever you are live coding it, many people are watching you, so it also gives you a very good feeling whenever you are coding. I like the video. Do you know how to display a graph with data on a website? Maybe you have already made videos on this, but can you refer me to? Yeah, I have made numerous videos on that. You can refer to my channel, Coding Shiksha. Just search the keyword, but definitely in the future I will make videos on that. No worry about it. Is there a way we can grow together with the other developers on YouTube? I am not interested in partnership or something like that. If you're talented, if you're hardworking, definitely YouTube will promote you, as YouTube is promoting my live stream in browse feature suggested video. So I am not in site promotion or any site like that. So I also grew my channel from ground up from sheer hard work. So I don't believe in promotions kind of stuff. So sorry about that. So many developers, many YouTuber channels are having, you can join them, go to their channel, you can just do a small little collaboration or partnership so that you can increase the subscribers as well. So it totally depends upon you how you are interested. If you are interested in collaboration or partnership, you can definitely enroll on that. So it's nobody, it depends upon YouTuber to YouTuber. Some YouTubers like it, some YouTubers don't. So I don't like that collaboration or partnership. Yeah, content is king. It's better to have a great content rather than you just promoting it day in day and out. Basically, you will also get tired promoting your own content, and also you will also don't like it. Do you also do consulting work on the site? What are your rates if so? No, I don't do any sort of consulting. I don't uh, look at myself as a consultant, because I am just looking at myself as a YouTuber which provides free education. So I am not at that level at I can provide consultation. So I don't look myself to that level. I am just very young, 25 years old, still learning a lot of things every day. So I'm not a master of every technology. I'm just a student. Yeah, we are all students, and at the end of the day. I mean, good work deserves to be compensated. I would rather pay you to build a website than learn how to do it myself. Uh, Anirudh, I am just telling you, I'm not that free that I can take work from outsiders. So basically, I am concentrating on my YouTube channel, first of all, to grow it, reach up to 1 lakh subscribers, and then I can think about taking some work from clients. So as you will pay me, so it's my responsibility to give you the best quality work. So that's why I'm not in a position to take work from clients. So first of all, I am just concentrating on this channel to grow it fast, to make multiple videos in one day. So that's why I'm super busy. I'm not free. You can see it's night in India. It is around about 5:37 a.m. I'm still searching for videos, ideas, making some content on this channel. YouTube monetization is all about placing advertisements on your channel. And basically, the requirements are that whenever you are starting a new channel, you should have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is watch time. So after that, whenever it is completed, YouTube will review your channel. You need to submit your channel to YouTube. YouTube will review your channel. Once the review process is over, they will either approve it or disapprove it. So there's a lot of restrictions in YouTube. So you need to make a very good channel in order to approve. Yeah, it's very good to post multiple videos, because as you post multiple videos, YouTube will look at your channel that you are uploading daily videos, you are doing some work. And these videos need to be of quality, not just uploading it for the sake of it. You need to only upload those videos which are liked by your audience. So, and mixed content you don't need to upload. One day you are uploading cricket videos, one day you are uploading technology videos. So you need to maintain a similar theme of your channel. So if your channel is about programming, so you need to make programming videos, daily videos. So if you follow this approach for at least 30 to 60 days, I would definitely, uh, from my own experience, and especially you need to do live streaming, not upload normal videos. If you upload normal videos, it will take a lot of time, but if you are doing live streaming like this that I'm doing, in a span of 1 month you can grow your channel. I can tell you, let me show you the stats. I started this live streaming this just 15 to 20 days back. In my September month, you can see how many subscribers I got. 778. It's the highest in my channel journey. I never got 778 subscribers in any month of my channel journey. In 11 days, I have got 778 subscribers. You can see the number of views. It has increased 14%. Watch time over 6%. 128% subscribers have increased like this. Revenue has also increased. In one day, I'm getting, you can see, 101 subscribers. You can now see. So live streaming is a very beautiful, or you can say it's a very important boosting factor in increasing your subscribers, especially subscribers and also views as well. In last month, you can see we got, in whole August month, I got 709 subscribers. But in these 11 days of September, I got 778. So I think it will reach up to 2,000 subscribers at the end of September. So it's very good.